Say something, Brian.
Hello.
What? They didn't hear you. Say it nicely.
I said hello.
Okay.
What?
Well, we're in the game at Target. And
Oh, book.
he's a nerd. Brian, tell them how nerdy you are.
Shut up.
How we are nerds because we go to the library and we like books. Right there. Like books. We like what? Reading. Yep.
Oh, yes. I'm gonna
So bright.
I don't know.
Oh, you guys want to see my mirror? You guys do? Yeah. People are around here, so kinda awkward.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go see the big car. Turn it on.
Okay, I will.